प्यारे विद्यार्थियों नैक्सट आप करते हैं बेटे कंसिस्टेंट एस्टीमीटर। आप अनबायस्ड एस्टीमीटर कर चुके हैं। कंसिस्टेंट एस्टीमीटर लेट कैपिटल एक्स बी रैंडम वेरिएबल एक्स कैपिटल एक्स इज a random variable that has pdf f of x comma theta theta belonging to parameter space and x1 x2 xn is a random sample x1 x2 and so on xn is a random sample of size n drawn from this distribution. Then an estimator theta cap which is a function of x1 x2 xn is said to be consistent estimator of theta if for all epsilon positive limit and tends to infinity probability of theta cap minus theta mod less than epsilon is 1। जिन्हों एस्टिमेट करना और जिन्हें एस्टिमेट करना थीटा कैप इज द एस्टिमेटर सो थीटा कैप माइनस जिन्हों करना थीटा नु करना theta cap minus theta mod less than epsilon is 1 as n tends to infinity। And in symbolically we write theta cap converges stochastically in probability to this theta, this parameter theta। Then theorem, if theta cap is unbiased estimator of theta means E of theta cap is theta and variance of theta cap tends to 0 as n tends to infinity, then theta cap is consistent estimator of theta। सन दिता होया theta cap is unbiased estimator of theta means expectation of theta cap is theta and further variance of theta cap 0 ਨੂੰ tend ਕਰਦਾ as n tends to infinity, then we have to show that theta cap is the consistent estimator of theta। Now how to prove? Let epsilon greater than 0 be given, so by Chebyshev's inequality probability of theta cap is greater than or equal to divided by epsilon square। बेटे ਆਪਾਂ फर्स्ट semester पढ़ी सी probability of x minus mu less than k sigma is greater than or equal to 1 minus 1 over k square। उतों ये रिजल्ट अपने को आया सीगा। Call it as equation first। Consider theta cap minus theta। अब ये शो करना कि this theta cap is the consistent estimator, so this can be written as theta cap minus E of theta cap plus E of theta cap, so this is less than or equal to call it as equation second। now theta cap minus E of theta cap, this is less than or equal to this epsilon, this is by 1 theta। तो it imply theta cap this is by 1 यदि करके है। now what is theta cap minus theta? This can be theta cap minus theta, this is less than or equal to epsilon plus E of theta cap minus theta, this is by second। थीटा कैप माइनस थीटा इज लैस देन और इक्वल टू ਇਹਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਪਸੀਲਨ ਪੁੱਟ ਕਰਤਾ ਔਰ ਇਹਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਜ਼ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਰੱਖ ਲਿਆ। ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬੇਬਿਲਿਟੀ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਹੋਏਗੀ। its probability will be greater than its probability, so probability of theta cap theta less than or equal to 1 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 / 2 this will be less greater than or equal to theta cap minus because this set is greater than this set, so its probability will be greater than. Now we are given call it as equation third, given theta cap is unbiased estimator of theta, it means E of theta cap is theta. So E of theta cap is theta. So if we put it here, E of theta is always theta. So this is probability of theta cap minus theta less than or equal to epsilon will be greater than this. Means ये हो गया, but E of theta is always theta. What happened? No, here it was only theta. It was only theta. Because theta cap is unbiased estimate, so it means these two terms will be 0. So this will be 0. So this will tend to, this number is 0. It means probability of theta cap minus theta less than or equal to epsilon is greater than or equal to use 1. So this is 0. Now use 1. So we get probability of theta cap minus theta. This is 0. So this is greater than or equal to 1 minus variance of थीटा कैप माइनस एप्सिलॉन स्क्वायर। इनू मैं हुण साफ कर देना, इरेज कर देना, ये तुहानूं समझाउण वास्ते रखी सी। गिवन सानू हैगा ਇਹਦਾ मतलब ये हो गया probability, but probability is always less than or equal to 1. It means theta cap is consistent estimator of theta. This proves the theorem. Thank you.